man and this woman in holy matrimony. Originated in divine wisdom and goodness, designed to promote human happiness and holiness, marriage is the foundation of time. It was sanctioned and honored by the presence and power of Jesus at the marriage in Cana of Galilee. It is the most important step in life and should not be entered into lightly, but reverently and in the worship of God. Who gives this woman in marriage?
I do.
From the Word of God, we read these words. From the beginning of creation, God made them male and female. And God said, it is not good that man should be alone. I will make a helpmate for him. For this cause shall a man leave his father and mother and cleave to his wife. They together shall become one flesh, so they are no more separate, but one. In John 15:13, we read the words of Jesus that say that greater love has no man than this, that he lay down his life for others. Romans 12:10 says that love is valuing others over ourselves. This is the pattern of life set forth in the Word of God, and is the only means for success in marriage. 1 Corinthians 13:4-8 says this of love. It says, love is patient and kind. Love is not jealous, it does not brag, and it is not proud. Love is not rude, is not selfish, and does not get upset with others. Love does not count up wrongs that have been done. Love is not happy with evil, but is happy with the truth. Love patiently accepts all things. It always trusts, always hopes, and always remains strong. Love never ends. You, Lawrence, and you, Nicole, have come today to signify your desire to be formally united in marriage. I will now ask you to join right hands.